My name is Ed.
My name is Lisa, and we live in Vail, Arizona. We were trying to modernize the kitchen to get it a little bit more sophisticated and in line with how we function as a household. There were several areas of the kitchen, not just aesthetically, but for functional purposes, that didn't meet our needs. Our needs were relatively basic. We'd like the island to be a single level island so that I could work more efficiently across a single level counter. We needed the cabinets that were standard oak, natural oak, which were beautiful, but they lacked a little bit of sophistication. The tile in the backsplash area and the countertops to just be a little bit more modernized to kind of suit the rest of the room. It is a great room. So the kitchen is part of a larger area, which was a large challenge for us to undertake, to kind of aesthetically make it look like it belonged in the same room.
Hi, my name's Joe with Remodeling. I wanted to show off this kitchen that we did for Ed and Lisa. So the main thing that we did on this project is we had a bar height countertop here that the client just wasn't in love with. So their previous home had a one level countertop on the island, so that's what they wanted to replicate. So Lisa and Ed found us on a previous video that we did with a client on a cookie bake. So similar project, had a bar height countertop and cut it down. That's how they found us, reached out to us, and ended up hiring us to do this project for them.
Remodeling helped really kind of pinpoint the areas specifically where we needed to have new materials like the countertops and the tile, and provided us with locations that we could go to see the variety of tile that was available, the selection of countertops in their showroom, and really help us keep within budget by showing us a variety of options that were in our budget and some that were outside our budget to kind of really focus on what we needed within our price range.
We're thrilled to death. It achieved all of our goals. We simply sat down with a vision initially, and it came true. To have that turn out and pull all those pieces together that we were addressing, have it turn out the way it did, we were just thrilled.
So if you got a project in mind that you may need help with or have questions on, feel free to reach out to Remodeling. We'd love to help you.